Hi, thank you so much for coming back and joining us. Tiffany's with us today in the kitchen, and boy, do we got a great recipe for you today. It's quick, easy, and delicious, and who doesn't like banana pudding? We are making banana pudding, you guys. So the first thing you want to do is get some instant vanilla pudding. Okay? We're going to use 1 box. 2 cups, I think. 2 cups of milk. Put 2 cups of milk in a bowl. Box of instant vanilla pudding. This is quick, easy, and delicious, I'm telling you.
Just like homemade banana pudding.
It is homemade banana pudding.
Homemade banana pudding.
That's Sammy in the background. We're making a couple recipes, and I'm telling you, you have to subscribe because we have some really good recipes coming up. You're not going to want to miss them. Okay, so you just want to mix this up really good, combine it because it has to sit for a few minutes. But while it's sitting, we are going to be multitasking here to make it quick, easy, and delicious.
Don't forget, you need the name brand.
Oh, yes. You have to use name brand instant vanilla pudding. You have to use the gel. And whole milk. You have to use whole milk. Okay?
You have to have that name brand.
You also need the name brand Cool Whip in the tub. Because one time I tried to pick up the non-name brand, and this one over here wasn't having it.
And make sure the bananas are right.
Oh, yes, and make sure the bananas are ripe. You're going to need bananas that are ripe. They need those brown spots getting on them so they're nice and good. And we use the Nilla wafers. Okay, so that's mixed up.
So that's it.
Now we're going to layer the bottom. I have these round pans that we're going to make it in. You're going to layer the bottom of the pan with your Nilla wafers. And you want to turn them all over to the flat side down. I'm telling you, this is so good. If you've had banana pudding before, you know how good it is. But did you know how easy it is to make? This is really easy. So while she's finishing flattening them out, I'm going to get a banana and I'm going to start cutting it so that we can get this done for you. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see when we post another video. Because we got some cool videos planned that are quick, easy, and delicious. All right.
Mom. Let's
So, do you want us both to cut bananas, or you want me
you
to
just
cut
slice
them?
it and I'll spread them out.
Okay. Teamwork. This is what we do here. We got this teamwork going on. And if you have someone helping you in the kitchen, it really helps a lot. Here we go. Tiffany made this on the 4th of July.
The last picnic.
Yep. And it disappeared before some people even knew it was there.
Before all the guests came.
That's how you know it's delicious.
Slice that one in?
Sure.
That's good.
Now, you want me to use a half of one of these?
Yeah, that's probably all you might get in it.
That was London in the background. She's in the room.
Okay,
I don't know
that's
what
good.
she's doing.
Oh my god.
All right.
So once you get them layered, you mix the whipped cream with the
Always does
Jello.
Pudding.
Oh, the pudding with the pudding with the whipped cream.
Sammy, you just
this.
ready
Sammy,
to
get over here so everybody can see who's talking.
Oh.
You can't be hiding in the background. People are going to be hearing and they ain't going to know what's going on. So you're going to need a half a container of the Cool Whip. You should really use the Cool Whip.
Sammy, you just ready to eat it, ain't you?
Yeah.
Getting there.
So you're just gonna mix this Cool Whip in with the pudding that's been sitting, because when it sits, you know it sets and it gets thickened up. Sure, you can mix it up.
Yeah, use the muscles, man.
Yeah, use the muscles.
Do you want this cookie?
Sure.
Here.
I save
tip it up.
containers for leftovers.
Because you don't care if you
When
come
I
back or
cook,
not.
right, when I cook and I give people food, it's like, I don't care if they need it. Yeah, you want to mix it so there's no more lumps in it. That looks perfect, Sammy, perfect. Alright, and then we need, tea.
It'll be just fine.
Alright, so you're going to pour that pudding and Cool Whip mixture, half of it on top of the layer of Nilla wafers and bananas that you already have in there. Now, if you pour half in, you're going to layer it with more Nilla wafers.
And one should be just enough for this size.
Yeah, 1 box of pudding is perfect for these little round pans that I got. I bought these at Dollar Tree. You get 3 for $1, which is a great deal. So I don't think I should. Oh, did you see what Tiff did? She picked it up and she knocked it on the counter to make everything even and smooth on the inside, no air pockets.
Bring it down through there.
All right, now, how do we do this layer? We don't
Just-
want to
just-
dump them on
one
like
at
we
a
did
No,
time.
just
last
put them on
time.
like this.
Want some individually. Just one at a time. Which way do you go? Up or down?
Flat.
And the good thing about this stuff is the longer it sits, the better it tastes for, like, a day. It's better the next day because the cookies get soft in the pudding. Look at that. Okay, now we put the bananas. There's a piece of it.
More banana. And then we have a layer of banana, so altogether you got 2 layers of cookies and 2 layers of bananas.
Yep.
You are
And
correct.
2 layers of pudding.
And 2 layers of the whipped cream pudding.
And all together equals 1 layer of yum.
Oh, 1 layer of yum, yes. Yes.
Yeah, make sure you use ripe bananas. You can't use bananas that are not ripe because then it won't taste as good.
No, you don't want them overripe either.
Well, you don't want them underripe. When they're green, they have that taste.
Yeah. and
Like
if they're
those over
overripe,
there.
It's gonna be too mushy.
No.
You would. Yeah.
Here we go. The one who told
I
me
said
to buy the
overripe.
ripe ones.
I said you don't want them overripe. This is fine.
I know, these are fine.
I'm just saying.
They got the brown spots on them.
I know. Just saying, you don't want them overripe. Then they're too mushy.
All right. All right. Tell me what you're doing, Tiff.
Putting that last layer on.
The whipped cream and pudding mixed evenly.
Alright, so you're gonna scrape that out?
Mm.
No? Sammy, you wanna lick the bowl?
Oh, no.
Well, let London lick the bowl. Yeah, go give it to London. So now on the top, decorate it with crumbs. We could crush some of these. You want to crush some of these?
No, just
Put them on top or put
Just put them on there like how just
a smiley face
yeah.
like you did for the 4th. She made a smiley face for the 4th, which was so cool. So cool. Because it is happy. It's like sunshine.
What?
How's that? That look like a smiley face?
Sure. As long as it
Aw.
Ooh, now he's crying. Why is he sad?
Because he knows he's gonna get AIDS.
Right? Well, there you have it. Quick, easy, and delicious
Easy and delicious.
banana pudding.
That lighting is
What do you want?
tilted because you're lighting.
Look at that smiley face, how cute. And it's so good. Now put this in the fridge and let it set up and get a little more thick. And it is going to be so good. And now you have something quick to make for if you have a get together. You'll be like, I'll make the banana pudding because it's so easy and good. Everybody's going to like it. So thank you so much for joining us. Please subscribe so you can know when we post another video, and we got some good ones coming up.